Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of these two potted Christmas trees that we got on Amazon. I got these for my front porch and I am so excited. I just finished fluffing them and I think they look really good. It looks better than I thought. I was a little bit concerned because of some reviews that I saw, people saying that the trees didn't look good. I personally love them. I think they look just like any other potted tree. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the quality of the branches. It was very easy to put this together. I had to fluff them because they come very thin, but it didn't take me a long time. I also saw some comments saying that the tree didn't look super full, but let me come a little bit far here so you guys can see. I actually think that this tree looks really good. I don't think it should be super full. I feel like this way it looks more natural, especially when you turn the lights on. One thing you guys need to know, the lights come separate. You have to put the lights on it. It doesn't come pre-lit. They give you a pack with lights that you have to put on yourself. So that was one annoying thing, but overall I think these look great. This is the little remote. You have a timer here for 6 to 8 hours, and you can also dim it or make it more brighter, which is pretty cool. It's just, you know, nice to have a remote like this. And each one of them come with a different remote too, so you're not gonna be able to use one remote for both. Here, it doesn't turn on, so you have to use both remotes. This is the remote for the other one, and both now are on. So yeah, I love these. It's also taller than I thought it was gonna be. We got the 4 feet one and it looks pretty tall, which I love. I'm not gonna complain. I'm actually excited that they're taller. And yeah, I love it. The quality is really good. I think they look super cute and I'm so excited to put them in our front porch.